how to download and install Google Chrome on your MacBook. After you open up your Safari, simply type in Chrome here at the very top. This will take you to a Google search where you will see the very first result, Google Chrome. Click on that, and that's the website with this huge blue button in the middle. Click on that. And they will ask you that you want to allow download from this website, google.com. Yes, allow. Now you just need to wait. You can double tap on it or click here to see it in your folder. So let's just click twice, 1, 2. And now you just need to drag Google Chrome to your apps. It may take a few seconds, and here it is. When you turn it on for the first time, they may ask you to log in. If you don't want to have a Google account, you can skip that step. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.